this thing? Just little sparrows, I think. But look at, what are they doing? Whatever it is, they seem to like the pond. Yeah, there's just a whole pile of, oh my God. Cat-like reflexes got me right up to the Look at that. What are you fellas doing? If you're fellas, I don't know if you're fellas or not. Wow. It flew right by me. This is so cool. I have no idea why they're all here and what they're doing, but they're nice little fellas, and they're all getting a drink or eating bugs or something. I don't know. They got little white stripes on their tails. I don't know what kind of birds they are.